Very nice. Mahal, this is not dangerous for lightning. This one for lightning. It's deep. Wow, it's big. You can eat that one.
Here, yeah, this for it.
Wow. In Philippines, too much like this. Oh, too much insect. See?
Please.
Don't throw, Arij, huh?
Very big, huh?
Hmm.
Very big.
Nice view here. Oh, it's so big. Take.
Too much small.
Oh, you can see from the video.
Wow.
When they come
See,
big.
too much.
There, down, see? A little bit bigger ones. Mayor fish.
Too much, huh?
Yeah, when they come big, it will look nice because it's colorful.
See, Ari? Too bad. Fish. Here also. Oh my God, too much small.
It's nice, Mahal. I hope we're still here when they get big. When they get big.
I don't know why Antoine he buy there. Buy here, very nice.
Hmm. Maybe have nice areas there also.
Who?
There in that place.
Which one?
Antoine, you said which area he buy?
Yeah, of course, his villa very nice. I don't know it either. See, Mahal?
A reach.
See? Big fish. Very big.
Wow. They come here.
Very big.
Yellow?
Expensive this one.
Which one? No. It's like what we buy, but become big now. For a ridge before.
See how many? Too much, huh?
Yeah. They buy from eggs or they. Hmm. Think I can go to gym? Labate el hamam. Go to daddy, go to daddy. Nice view here.